Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, guys. How are you, friends? Welcome in KZ Kitchen. I have designed another beautiful and tasteful recipe for you. You can take it in different ways. You can use it in breakfast and also in tea time. And also, you can make it on some special occasions, or you can serve it to your guests. So let's start the recipe of our banana toast with banco balls. I have taken some bananas and some bread slices, and I'm cutting it in thin slices. You can take bananas and breads according to your requirement. How many do you want to make? Now I'm placing the banana slices on bread. I will cover the slice completely with banana slices. Okay. You can take one or two bananas for each toast if you want. Okay. Now I'm gonna squeeze some lemon juice on the top of these slices. And also I am sprinkling some powder of green cardamom. Okay. Now I'm pouring condensed milk, 1 or 2 tablespoons according to your requirement. Now I'm pouring my melted cooking chocolate. It's also according to your choice. Now cover the another slice on the top. Okay. Now I will make its another slice. There you go. Okay. Now it's time to grill these toasts. For toasting these slices, I'm using Blue Band margarine. If you like, so definitely you can do same. First, I am toasting it from one side and then I will flip it, and again I will apply some butter on the surface of this griller and then I will toast it. Mashallah, you can see it's nice golden and brown color. Now I am applying further Blue Band margarine for other side. Okay. I will toast both of these slices. If you don't have griller, so you can work with simple pan. Okay, it's our other. There you go, friends. Mashallah, these are done perfectly. Mashallah. Let's start making the banco balls. For this, I have made a banana, and also I'm adding 1 or 2 tablespoon Blue Band margarine in it. Now I'm adding 1 or 2 tablespoon condensed milk here, vanilla essence 1 teaspoon, and also I have some cornflakes. So I am crushing it and then I will add in this mixture. Also I am adding some cooking chocolate here. It's also 1 or 2 tablespoon or up to your taste. Okay, now it's mixed. I'm adding my cornflakes and I will mix it properly, and then I will leave it for 10 minutes and then I will make its balls. There you go, friends. Mashallah, our banana toast with banco balls are totally ready, and these are looking very tasteful and good looking. It is very quick and easy recipe, and you can make it any time and in any season, and you can enjoy it every time. If you liked my video, so definitely like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And let's see inside our banana toast. Inshallah, it's perfectly done. You can see the marble inside this toast. Okay, now it's time to say Allah Hafiz. See you soon. Till then, Allah Hafiz.